Hey everybody, Bart fan here. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to transform Ratchet from Transformers. And actually this right here is actually a part that's missing, but it's not like a big part of the transformation. So I'm just gonna show you how to transform this guy. So first, there's like these doors over here. You have to like pull those out first. Then you can pull that back, and his foot's actually backwards. So what you do is just gotta turn it like that. And same thing with this foot. Turn it. And that's over his legs. And I gotta remember what you do next. Oh yeah, his arms. So I have to like do this. Pluck his arms out. So you just have to like pull his arms out like that. Then I'll flip him over here. You pull him like that, and then you can turn his hold on. You can turn his body. Give me a minute. Oh, you could turn this part of his body at least. Just give me a second. Hold on, let me just turn it. But you turn it like that. Then what you do, make it stay like that. You just pull it down like that. There we can see Ratchet's face. Now his arms, which I will sometimes very easy with the arms. Just have to pull it out like that. Then you can bend these, which I don't usually use a lot. And he did come with a weapon, but unfortunately I lost it. And that's how you transform him basically. Except like there would be a piece back here, which I just usually like put like that. So like also, if any of you guys want to see me do a transformation of him from robot to vehicle mode, let me know. Also I like to say I would like some ideas for my my next videos. And also I also want to say thank you to this one guy. I believe his username is failsafe272. I want to say thank you to him for watching my videos also as well, and leaving comments. So I wanted to thank him for that. And like I said, if you want me to transform him from robot to vehicle mode, just let me know by posting a comment on this video. Comments would be very great. So, see you whenever we do our next video.